Welcome to the heart of innovation. Revolt Motors' state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Manesar, Haryana, a hub of precision, technology and sustainability, dedicated to powering the future of mobility. Revolt Motors, 100% subsidiary of Ratan India Group, manufactures India's most advanced AI-enabled electric motorcycles. Founded in 2017, after 2 years of extensive research and development, Revolt launched India's first electric bike. Since then, it has remained the nation's highest-selling electric motorcycle for 6 consecutive years, driving the shift towards smarter, sustainable mobility. With a 180,000 unit annual capacity, every bike undergoes over 50 rigorous quality checks, including end-of-line dynamometer testing. Our lithium-ion battery packs, sourced from the Indian subsidiary of CATL, while mid-drive motors from Sonakomstar deliver superior performance. With complete localization, from batteries to chassis, Revolt qualifies for the PM eDrive subsidy. Revolt bikes are built for the future, with smart features like swipe to start stop, remote key access, GPS tracking, geofencing, and 4 sound modes, giving riders complete control at their fingertips. Revolt has expanded to 200 dealerships nationwide, bringing electric mobility closer to every rider. Revolt has also made its international foray into Sri Lanka, marking the beginning of our global expansion. Behind every Revolt bike is a team of 450 skilled engineers and industry experts, ensuring that every bike is crafted to perfection. From concept to reality, Revolt Motors is shaping the future of mobility.